Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to complete the groundbreaking quest in Arc Raiders step by step. First off, we need to unlock the Pilgrim's Peak area on Blue Gate. To do this, you'll need the Blue Gate Communication Tower key. You can get this key as a random drop, but it's easiest if you grab the free one from your inventory. If you lose it, no worries, you can find more by checking residential areas like Blue Gate Village or Ruby Residences. These spots have plenty of containers, making it easy to grab a replacement key. Once you've got your key, head over to the northeast side of the map to Pilgrim's Peak. Once you've got your key, head over to the northeast side. When you get there, use your key to unlock the door. Inside, head straight to the right to inspect the board. That's part 1 of the quest completed. Next, head to the abandoned housing project. You'll need to find a specific building marked on the whiteboard inside the locked room. Go inside and head upstairs to check that off for the list. For the final step, take a photo of the project from inside the building, and that's it, you're done. I recommend using the warehouse air shaft to quickly exit the area, and that's it for the groundbreaking quest. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.